Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at editing documents in HoudiniEsq. These are some new features in build 2.0914. This update is free, so download it when it's available, March 28, 2025. Let me go ahead and log in. The new features provide the ability to create, edit, and annotate MS Word files and PDFs in HoudiniEsq without any plugins, add-ins, launchers, and you don't need MS Word or Adobe whatsoever. We will also show you how we've updated the PDF viewer so you can now annotate your PDFs and save those annotations in HoudiniEsq. Anytime anyone loads this PDF, your annotations will load as well. Okay, so let's take a quick look. There is a lot to these new features, so I will only demonstrate some of the most basic features. After logging in, select any matter, then click the Docs tab like so. I will demonstrate annotations first, since there is a PDF at the top of the list. You will notice the new PDF editor in Houdini has many options to annotate a document. We can underline, redact and highlight, add shapes, insert form fields as well, and much more. Let me show you a quick example. I'm going to highlight the word performance here. Now I will underline some text and click Save. Houdini creates a new revision for you to eliminate one user overwriting another user's documents or templates. Templates are shared across the organization. When I open the document, it displays my annotations. Now if I go to the previous document, you'll see it is in fact the previous document. Okay, let's take a look at working with MS Word files. Let me find a simple docx file. Here, the appeals court brief will do just fine for this basic example. Let's open it. As you can see, the document is editable, and I can change or add any text I want. 1 second. The document's thumbnail isn't ready just yet. Let's refresh the list. There we go. Perfect. Okay, if I open the file, you'll see we have our changes. I can also make a template out of any Word document. This panel is so you can open previously created templates in the MS Word format, not the ODT format which Houdini does support. Whereas Word templates can visually be edited in Houdini's UI without the need for any third-party software, OpenOffice or MS Word and the like. I'm going to use the current document button to create a template from this file. As you can see, yellow buttons appear when in template mode. The first button, called Fields, is used to look up Houdini merge field tokens we can insert into the document template. I'm going to look up and add a merge token. I will use the matter reference in this example. Now I will paste the token here and click Save. Let's select the type called JIB. Next, I will pick a name for the file. Now you don't want to use the word template in the template's name because the name is what the final doc will be called when you generate a document from a template. Save your template. Houdini will reload it. Now we have a document template called Appeals Brief. It is important to note that we are still in template mode. You can tell since the yellow buttons are all still present. When I close the doc using the yellow X button to exit template mode, you will notice the template isn't in this list. That because you're looking at documents related to this specific matter. If you are an admin, you can click the Configuration tab, then click Document Templates item to see all the templates in the system. I'm going to go back to that matter. Now let's go ahead and open the document. So we have this document here with the word hello added to it previously, but I created a template that actually puts the matter reference in this location. So let's go ahead and delete this document, and let's call on our template to merge HoudiniEsq data and your document. We use JIB as a type, so let's select the template. We can create a PDF or a Word file. I'll create a PDF first and open it. There is your matter reference. Warren Medical Instruments. Okay, we now have a PDF which I can annotate. Let's cross it out and highlight it. Click Save to save my changes. Okay. Now, if I want to go back and create the same document from the same template, but as a MS Word file, now that we have a Word file, let's open it up. As you can see, the data has been merged into the document. I can edit it as much as I want. I can even convert this merged document into a new template. That is it for the basics. I hope you guys enjoy the new features, and thank you.